So I'm making a cabinet door / end panel. This is going to be rail and style with a shaker style look that's going to have a 3/8 by 4-inch beadboard panel in the groove. So I'm cutting the grooves here on the table saw to fit the 3/8 panel. Now the bottom of the door has an angle. It has a 15-degree angle. It's like 20 on one side and 25 on the other. So now I've cut the bottom rail, and I'm going to test the tongue groove to make sure I have the height of the dado blade set right. So now with the angled piece, I'm going to cut it, and I'm going to tilt the miter gauge to 15 degrees, and I'm going to run one side of each board, readjust the miter gauge to the other side, and get the bottom rail in there. Now I'm going to measure for the top rail, move the miter gauge back to 90 degrees, and cut the tongue to fit in there for the top rail of the end panel. And then I'm going to center the tongue groove boards on the bottom rail, and I need to rip a little bit off the left and the right hand side. And I'm going to fit those pieces in there. Then I'm going to go to the miter saw, cut a 15-degree angle on the bottom pieces, and cut all those to length. And then I'm going to dry fit it, make sure it all works. I did have to trim some off the right and the left hand side to center the two panels. There's 4 pieces. The 2 center panels are centered on the door. So now I'm going to glue the door together. The bottom rail is at an angle. I'm going to fit the panels in there with no glue. There's just glue on the top and bottom rail. The panel floats. I'm going to clamp that together, double check that it's square on the top. And I left the right and left side stiles long, and I'm going to trim them off later. So if you like this type of video, please like, subscribe, follow, and thank you for watching.